Good afternoon, everybody. This is Nel Carroco again. Finally, I am going to create a new video. This is all about specification for a bollard. Okay, so this one has been specified by the consultant, and it's a bollard that has two-way light. Unfortunately, when I go to the website, it doesn't have photometric file. So I'm thinking, how can I prove to the client the spacing for this bollard if it doesn't have photometric file? So very unfair because right now the only solution is to get it from other brand that has photometric file, like maybe Ligman, yes, this bollard, or maybe from Bega, this bollard, because we need to find out the spacing of this fitting into the landscape. What will be the spacing of this, like 8 meters or 10 meters? As long as we achieve the 1 lux minimum, then we are complying. How can we do that if we don't have photometric file? Okay, so that's the problem for some of us lighting designers, because client may specify something but it doesn't have photometric file. So what I'm going to do is I will just check the wattage of this fitting and say this is 13 watt, and I will use the 3000 Kelvin, and then I'll go to, let's say, Vega for the meantime, and maybe use this one, and then I can just extract the photometric file. Now this one is 19 watt. I can just edit the values later on, just to make sure that I will achieve the spacing for this bollard. Okay, so I'm going to use it now here in my calculation, and I will put it here in my pathwalk, and then I will check the orientation. Okay, so I selected the 360 degrees light emission. So I will try to use 8 meter spacing if I achieve it, and then 1 meter. Now I achieved the 1 lux minimum. It's good, but you can see here the requirements is 5 to 750. So I think I can just maybe use P3 requirements. There you go. So these P1, 2, 3, 4 are the pathwalk requirements. The higher the P1 is for commercial, and the P4 and P6 going to down is morely for the suburban areas. Okay, so my spacing is 8 meters. What if I try 9 meters? Okay, if I use 9 meters, I will fail the minimum lux level requirements of 1.5. So the spacing is 8 meters. From there, I can now place this luminaire to my lighting layout, and I can now space it accordingly, and then I can do it and place it in my AutoCAD arrangement later for the lighting layout drawing. Yeah, so what I'm saying here now is, to those who are specifying, please make sure to have a photometric file, because it's really hard to prove that your lighting design is good if it doesn't have photometric file. Maybe you can ask the manufacturer or supplier about the photometric file. If none, then yes, the sad thing is you need to use other fitting just to show something in your lighting calculation. Okay, so please let me know, do you experience the same? Because I do right now. And tell me if you have other solutions aside from what I said. And can you please tell La Luce to provide their photometric file, so we can use it in our lighting design calculation. Okay, so yes, that's it for now. And I'll see you again on the next video. Bye.